Agus dosco and open he and doris, the door. Pretty straightforward. I think you all know those words. Okay. Number 2. Ta alan ohorig fehevlom amu. So there are a lot of patients waiting for me outside. First of all, the words alan mean a lot, but only really when you're making a statement. So if you want to say there were a lot of people there, you say vi alan dinion. Okay, there were. Alan is a lot. Dini is people. On is there. But if you want to say there weren't a lot of people there, you have to use a different word rather than alan. You say moron. So nirev moron dinion. Okay, nirev moron dinion. Okay, and likewise when you're going to ask a question, you use the word moron. So anrev moron dinion. Anrev moron dinion. Okay. So the one that's used here just for making a statement, you use alan. For negatives or a question, you use moron. Okay. Ikfehev means waiting, and you wait le someone. So ikfehev lom, waiting for me. Okay, literally with me. Okay. So ta'alan ohr ikfehev lom amma. There's a lot of patients waiting for me outside.
It's over patience.
Yeah. The word for patient is ohr. Patience. Ohr. Okay. But you would say alan ohr, and that literally that is a lot of patience. So this word is patient, this word is patience, and this word is of patience. Okay, and that's one of the funny things in Irish, that a lot of times the word of plus something in the plural looks like the singular one. Yeah. So
they use a different word.
So you might. So you have coupon is a cup. Coupon are cups, but a lot of cups are alan coupon. Okay.
Do they use a different word for the attribute of patience?
Fainyach. Fainya is patience. Fainyach is patience for the adjective. Yeah, a different word.
Is the genitive singular the same as the nominative plural?
Genitive singular, not a. It is for. Yeah, it is in this and coupon. Yeah.
That's weird. It's just.
Yeah,
it's opposite from that.
Yeah, and there's a lot of patterns in Irish where either from the masculine and the feminine form they do the opposite things, or the singular and plural do the opposite things. Yeah. Getting the grasp of that is one of the hardest things I think people learn in Irish have, is the whole patterns for the genitives.
Yeah. We're lucky. All we have to know is oxen, and mouse and mice. And
Yeah.
you like it.
Yeah. Okay. So ta'alan oher igfehev lomama. It says imiglat anish. Off with you now or go away. Okay. Imiglat anish. So near chori kolum. Kolum didn't move. Near chori kolum. Okay. So the word chori is to move. And kolum says kuri me gyallat go dosoy me inyu machli vaha wanchamach dom hain. Agus go nairoi lom marach tarl machuristav lav lihana. Okay?
Yeah.
So first of all, we'll kind of break the pieces up and then come back to it, okay? To say I'll make a wager with you, you say kuri me gyallat.
Kuri me gyallat.
So the word kur is put, so literally it's I will put a wager with you. Kuri me gyallat, okay? So kuri is the future of kur. Kuri me, I will put, gyal is promise or wager in this case, lat with you, so you go on with someone. We haven't done a lot of the future stuff, but it comes up a lot in this lesson. So to say I won't wager with you, say ni kuri me gyallat. Okay, and will you wager with me? Anguri tu gyalum. Okay, so ni is the way to say not, and the nights, ni kuri. And the question is on, and it eclipses, anguri. Okay? And if I ask anguri tu gyalum, how would you say yes?
Kuri.
Kuri. Okay, and how about you want to say no? Ni kuri. Okay. So literally I'm asking, will you put wager with me, and you'll say will put or won't put. Okay. So another word that shows up in here is the word. Okay, curry comes from the word cur, which is put. Okay. The word pussy means begin. Okay, this is one of the, if you prefer first conjugation verbs or short verbs, okay, and this is the second conjugation or long verb, okay. So this one just has one syllable, cur, and this one has two, pussy, okay. So the future for cur is curry, and you put an F-I-D-H on it, okay. For pussy, you kind of drop off this part here and you put this oi ending. So I'll start today. Tosoi me inyo. Okay, and say I won't start today. Ni hosoi me inyo. And will you start today? Ndosoi tu inyo. And how do you say yes? Tosoi. Tosoi. We'll start. And how about no? Ni hosoi. Okay. So let's look at so if you want to say, I'll put it on the table. How would you say I'll put it on the table? Kurime. Okay, kurime morde. Now given that this is the future ending, we're going to try a few more. So how do you say, I will drink it? Olime, okay. Spelled F-A-I-D-H. Okay, olime, okay. And the reason we have an A here is because this has an O. You can't just have an I started. That's A-O-R-O and U on both sides. Okay, and here we have E or I on both sides. Okay, olime. How about I will take it? Okay, so ol is drink, take is tog. So I will take it. Togime. Togime. Okay? Now, so those are all short verbs. Cur, ol, tog. So they do the same thing. Yeah, they all kind of do the F-A-I-D-H or F-I-D-H. Okay? Now, let's look at a couple of the long words. So, buy is kiani. Okay, how would you say I will buy it? Okay, it is Naoi. Naoi me. Okay?
They took the t out of everything.
Yeah. I'll put the tosi one here. Tosoi me inyo. So tosoi me inyo, I'll start today. Kanoi me, I will buy it. Okay? So, okay, and another one that does this is immer, which means to play a game. So I'll play soccer with you. Okay, soccer's pel. So I'll write this one down. This one's spelled slightly different. Imroime. Imroime pel live. I'll play soccer with you. Okay.
Is that the
Not really
y'all
soccer,
you?
it's Gaelic football, but yeah, huh?
Is that the y'all you?
Y'all, yeah. Okay, so these are both oi. This is spelled differently. The slender one is E-O-I-D-H, and the broad one is O-Fada-I-D-H. So imroi me pel live. Okay. The word inish means to tell, kind of like immer. So how do you think you'd say, I will tell you? Enjoy. Enjoy me. And ditch. Okay, I'll tell it to you. Okay?
Shanti, why are you dropping the I in the
Immer and Inish, words that have that usually have I in the second syllable there, they just drop them. There's several, so Immer, Inish, and words that look like that tend to do that. Okay?
So the A at the end is the two, is more like, it's like the two.
It. So in Shoime Diche is I will tell it to you. So I will tell it to you. Okay? Alright, so those are just a few future words. Okay? So this sentence starts off, Kuri me gyallat is I will make a wager with you. Gudosoi me inu, that I will start today. Ir machli vaha awanchamach,